fucking 7:30 in the morning, man. I had to come and check my car. Shit's crazy. So remember, you know, I got my car broken into about like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. And this morning I wake up like 6:30 or something like that. 15 minutes into it, I hear a car alarm go off. So I look out the window, but I don't see any cars. And the car alarm goes off. So I'm not sure if it was somebody playing with their car alarm or, you know, people breaking into cars. So I left it alone. You know, my car didn't even got an alarm on this one. So whatever. And then my girl leaves and whatever, she comes back and she's like, well, she tells me, calls me like, yo, babe, they breaking into cars and like, there's like 3 or 4 cars out here. And I walk around and it's just like, there's 2 or 3 cars I know for sure. And the people don't even know about it. That's the sad thing, right? I'm gonna show you. So, my car got broken into across the street by the school over there the other week. But same MO, same window, and it sucks because, like I said, the person's sleeping right now. All right, they got cameras on this establishment right there. But look, same MO, and it's crazy because it's the same broken part that I had on my window. So it just sucks, you know. Ran through everything, take whatever he can. So this is one car right here, and then across the street, there's a lady on the other side. Her car over there. And honestly, it sucks. We shouldn't have to live life. Everybody waking up, going to work. And her shit over here, broken into the same MO, same back window. All right. It just sucks. And I told them the police don't care. They're not going to show up. We called them 30 minutes ago. They're still not here. They must have something important to do. But it just sucks. It just sucks. So, again, she right here, she is lost. So, there's a truck right over there by the supermarket. I got broken into also. Same window, everything. But there's a camera right in front of that supermarket, right in front.
So hopefully
they should be able to get him right there. There's no way in how they can't. They line us, so they said they can't get it.
They got a picture of him in
That's what I'm saying. So come on. If they got a picture of him in the supermarket, I know exactly who he is.
This is crazy.
But it don't make no sense that they allowing us to police ourselves.
Yeah. You
want us to whip his ass, you can charge us with assault. It's like, come on, this is crazy, man. Like, get him for his crimes. Get him for his crimes. It's the sad shit about it. I'm walking down and the person don't even know. There's another car just broken into right now.
Come to their car.
Yeah, just like me. Last time I came at 9:30, I'm like, I'm lit, coming out, have a good day. And boom, we didn't even notice. It sucks. I wanted to tell you, that's why I came back. There's an auto glass spot not too far from here, right there on Nostrand and Atlantic.
Okay.
They charged me $160 for my back window for the same day.
Okay.
So that's not bad. I mean, I went to Queens, they said $110, but it's for the next day.
Gotcha.
So,
I just called this place called Touch of Glass.
Okay. Yeah, that's over there on Atlantic.
Yeah, trying to see, I guess.
What they say.
What they say. And I'm literally just gonna run.
But Touch of Glass is more like they're more like a dealership. That's just the name of their company.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's not okay, because another guy over here said his daughter's car got broken into.
Yeah.
And he took her car the same day there.
Yeah, I mean,
what's the name of the place?
I don't know. It's cheap auto glass, but literally, once you make the left on Atlantic, you're gonna see it on the right side by the flat fix, right by Nostrand and Atlantic.
Okay.
So it's not far. Like what I did was I dropped it off, and I came back home. They took like 2 hours.
Okay.
Came back home, I chilled, and then I went back.
You just went back.
Yeah, because if you go to Touch of Glass all the way in Atlantic, you gotta take a cab back to chill and then go back. So this is all about the price, though, you know.
That's true. No,
yeah, but at least you know.
We're gonna check it out. Thank you so
much. No problem. Take care. Talk to you later.
Did they
Yeah, definitely. Let them know. Take care. Some bullshit, guys. We shouldn't have to live life like this, man. Stop being thieves, man. Work for your shit, and then you take pride in your shit for real. Take pride in your shit for real. So I'm out here just checking, but like I said, come on, man. Some bullshit, man. Some bullshit. What's up, bro? You gotta get this guy. He got 3 more cars today. Yeah, man, some bullshit. Yep, and I think I could confirm it. This had to be the car that was there's a camera right there, but it had to be the car that went off last night. Second car here, but bullshit. Sometimes, you know, they do their job. Just spoke to these officers in the corner, and you know, like they told me they found out who it was, man. I mean, it's a Spanish guy. That's what sucks about it. So it's one of our own, you know, and the officer there staking out the car. He broke into the other one across the street, and we see the window still open, still broken, right there. And I told him, I said, hey, I doubt he's coming back tonight. It's more like a weekday thing. So he might not be back till next week, but I know what Spanish guy it is, man. That's just crazy. Shit is definitely crazy. So if I see him, man, that shit is over. So I already know. That's crazy. So they're gonna catch him first, you know, that's for a fact. Because every time I see him, he's out here, so. You got him.